Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the deep end, focusing on how to create a daily sales report in Airtable. This is your go-to guide for 2025, so let's get started. Step 1 is setting up your Airtable base. This is your virtual workspace where all the magic happens. You can do this by clicking on the Add a Base button on the left side of the screen and selecting Start from Scratch. Creating a new base allows for a clean slate, ensuring your daily sales report will be as accurate and tailored to your needs as possible. Next up, once you have your base ready, it's time to create a sales table. Click on the Add a Table button, name it Daily Sales, and start by adding some essential columns like product, units sold, price, and date of sale. This step is crucial because these columns will hold the data you need for your sales report. Now that we've done that, let's move on to entering your sales data. This is as simple as clicking on each cell under the relevant column and typing in the data. The reason we do this is to have all our sales data in one accessible place, making it easier to manage and analyze. Once your data is in place, it's time for one of the coolest features of Airtable, creating a sales report view. You can do this by clicking on the Add a View button and selecting Matrix. Then, configure the matrix to summarize your sales data by date. This helps us because it provides a visual representation of our sales, allowing us to spot trends and make informed decisions. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is using its powerful data analysis tools to organize and summarize your sales data, giving you a comprehensive daily sales report at your fingertips. Finally, you can customize your report view to suit your needs. Add filters, group data, or change the summary fields by using the options on the right side of the screen. These features allow you to tailor your report to your specific needs, making it a valuable tool for your business. And that's it. You've just created a daily sales report in Airtable. Remember, this is a flexible tool, so feel free to play around and find what works best for you. Thanks for joining us on this quick guide. Until next time, keep making the most of Airtable.